windy day in Perth. We're heading out to Mundaring via O'Brien's, which is a nice twisty road, and then after Mundaring going through Kalamunda, another nice twisty coming out of Mundaring, and heading back.
Ignition hum, city still half asleep, street lights fading while the world feels deep. No rush in my chest, no race in my head, just the road unfolding everything I said. Lime's only asphalt moving under me, time slows down when I let it breathe. Every turn talking, every mile honest, I don't chase moments, I move inside them. I used to need a reason, used to need a sign. Now I let the rhythm decide the time. Still rolling, still in motion, still wide open tonight. If the plan keeps changing, I'm cool with the ride. Still rolling, no destination, just feeling what's right. If the road keeps calling, I'll answer every time. Maps glitch out, signal dropping low, but I like not knowing where the next turn goes. Every breath steady, every thought clean, helmet full of silence, mind in between. I don't need proof, don't need control, I don't need numbers telling me I'm close. Somewhere between fast and free, I remember who I'm meant to be. No finish line, no clock ticking loud, just motion carrying me out. If I show up late, that's fine by me. I was exactly where I needed to be. Still rolling, still in motion, still wide open tonight. Every mile peeling layers I didn't know I'd find. Still rolling, no destination, just feeling what's real, I don't ride to right, I ride to feel. Engine low, sky stretched wide. If this is the moment, I'm good staying inside. Morning light on the visor, engines humming low. I don't need a reason, I just need a goal. Every sign keeps talking, but I